This is a used 2008 BMW 6 Series, the ultimate driving machine. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, electric trunk, leather seats, a HomeLink system, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, memory seats, aluminum rims. Safety was made a priority with these features: xenon headlamps, curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.